maturity. I am ready for love. All of the joy and the pain, and all the time that it takes just to stay in your good grace. Lately I've been thinking maybe you're not ready for me. Maybe you think I need to learn maturity. You say what you ask for, or you might receive. But if you ask me tomorrow, I'd say the same thing. I am ready for love. Would you please lend me your ear? I promise I won't complain. I just need you to acknowledge I am here.
Just to make you look my way. Princess, look so fine, look so fine. Each time you pass my way, I never ever see you smile. I don't know what to say, just to make you look my way. All that I have I would give, just for a moment of your time. I don't want to sound cliche, but I'd ask God to replace sunshine, just to see you smile. Girl, I want to get your attention. Oh baby, please give me a mention. Can't you see I'm trying to get through? Baby, what can I do? Should I walk through fire and burn in the flames, rain to ease the pain? Girl, you may think I'm insane, but I face the rage of a hurricane. My friends, they all laugh and say she won't give you the time of day. But this time when you pass my way, this is what I'll have to say. Girl, I'm trying to get your attention. Oh baby, please give me attention. Can't you see I'm trying to get through to you? Oh baby, what can I do? Should I walk